What's good? I'm back. Look, mnml.la is one of those brands that has such a negative reputation. I mean, I get it. I know a lot of people do like that brand still, but between like all the replicas they do, them chrome heart jeans, they just have a bad rap. Cheap quality, copycatting, all that shit you hear. That brand is like the king of that type of stuff. So I decided to buy some stuff from there. I mean, I've bought one thing from there before, but I sold them. Didn't like them. I figured I'd buy some shorts to see how bad is mnml really. So without further ado, I hate when YouTube people just be like talking for 5 fucking hours about nothing. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit, nigga. Show me the goddamn clothes. This shit is hard to open. Oh, there we are. So I got 2 pair of shorts, right here and right here. This one is a pair of mesh type of shorts, and then this one is like just regular cotton shorts. I thought they looked cool. So we're gonna see how it fits. I got both in the size medium. I'm 5'11". I weigh about 160. So if you needed a size thing, there it is. Initially, out the bag, they feel pretty heavy. Like they seem like they are good quality. Let's try these motherfuckers on. They got a little pin in here. I don't want to poke my ass, so let me take this pin out. I hate pins. They're so fucking hard. Ah, fuck. You see, goddamn it. I got that shit off. Alright, let's try these on. Again, I got a size medium. They kind of like fit above the knee. Are my knees ashy right now? I'm sorry if my knees are ashy, but I mean, they fit well. The strings are a bit much. I should have got a large probably, but I feel like they're wearable. Do I look like an asshole? I can't tell what I look like. Let me look in the mirror. I mean, nah, these are calm. These are pretty calm. These are cool. These are cool. They look nice with this big fashion hoodie made by me. Hit me up on Instagram. But I like them. They're heavy. They fit well. The pockets are like deep. I could grab my junk from the pocket. Maybe I'm gonna edit that out. Maybe not. All right. So that was the first pair. Pretty promising. Now I'm gonna try on these other shits. Again, like they feel. I don't really like the material now that I'm seeing them in person. I mean, it's okay. Let's try it on, shall we? Again with this fucking pin shit. God damn it. Couldn't you just, you know, that wasn't so bad. That one was easy to put on. All right, let's try these ones out. Okay, these ones don't feel good at all. They feel stiff. Oh, what the fuck is this? I like the string part. Maybe they look better than they feel. Are my knees ashy? If my knees are ashy, don't comment anything, all right? So let me live. I'm doing this for y'all, so y'all don't gotta go through. What is this short? Let me check the mirror. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It might feel a little rough, but it fits okay, I guess. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I don't think, at least. Maybe I look dumb. Tell me if I look like an idiot. Just don't tell me my knees are ashy. If I sit down though, oh, I gotta cover myself up on the train. Yeah, for my money, the mesh ones are the ones. These ones I like, but these other ones are not really that great. I'll probably keep them just because I don't have very many shorts, but they're probably gonna be the ones that I'll wear the least. Anyway, that's my video. Overall, my thoughts, the mesh ones, I'll give it like a 7 out of 10, maybe like a 6.5, a strong 6.5, 7. They're good, they're heavy, they do fit a little small. I mean, I did get a medium, so maybe I should have got a large. I don't know. I kind of want them over the knee though. I didn't know they're gonna be fucking in my dick. But but these ones here, I'm still wearing them. I don't know about these. I mean, maybe with the right fit, maybe under certain circumstances. But what do you guys think? Do you think these fit good on me? Should I have gotten a large? Do I look like an idiot? Are my knees ashy? Don't tell me my knees are ashy. Come on, man. Like we're better than that in 2021. We don't gotta do that. But what you do gotta do is subscribe for more. I feel like I should look large. Anyway, that's it.